Wait, before you buy or ignore the Fire TV Stick 3rd generation in 2026, watch this full video carefully. Because in the next 10 minutes, I will show you real-world performance, hidden tricks, long-term problems, and practical solutions that most reviewers never talk about. This video is created with the help of AI, but every solution you hear here is 100% effective and workable in real life. I personally verified information from forums, Reddit threads, tech websites, YouTube user comments, and long-term Fire TV Stick user discussions. If you watch this video till the end, you will be able to decide clearly whether this device is worth your money or not. If you face any difficulty after watching, comment below and I will reply within 1 hour. If you find value, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe to Tech Vibes for more honest tech solutions. Now, let us start. The Fire TV Stick 3rd generation was launched as a budget streaming device from Amazon. It sits between the Fire TV Stick Lite and the Fire TV Stick 4K Max. Even in 2026, this device is still widely available in many countries, including India, Bangladesh, and Southeast Asia. The first big question is performance. The Fire TV Stick 3rd generation uses a quad-core processor clocked at 1.7 GHz. It comes with 1 GB of RAM and 8 GB of internal storage. On paper, these specs look weak compared to modern Android TV boxes. But in real usage, the performance is still acceptable for basic streaming. Netflix runs smoothly at full HD resolution. YouTube plays without frame drops. Amazon Prime Video is optimized perfectly because this is an Amazon device. Hotstar, Z5, Sony Live, and HoiChoi also work fine if your internet speed is stable. Now let me be very honest, if you expect lightning-fast performance, this device is not for you. App switching is slow, background apps consume RAM quickly. If you open many apps without closing them, the system will lag. But here's the trick. If you manage background apps properly, the Fire TV Stick 3rd generation becomes much smoother. Go to Settings, then go to Applications, then go to Manage Installed Applications. Force stop apps that you are not using. Clear cache regularly, but do not clear data unless necessary. Next important thing is internet performance. This device supports dual-band Wi-Fi. That means 2.4 GHz and 5 GHz. Always connect to 5 GHz Wi-Fi if your router supports it. 5 GHz gives better speed and lower interference. If your router is far from the TV, use 2.4 GHz for better range. Never place the Fire TV Stick behind the TV panel. Use the HDMI extender that comes in the box. This improves Wi-Fi signal strength by a lot. Now let us talk about heating. Many users complain that the Fire TV Stick heats up after long usage. Yes, it does heat up. But overheating problems usually happen because of poor ventilation. Do not plug the Fire TV Stick directly into the TV HDMI port without space. Always use the extender cable. Do not power it from the TV USB port. Use the original power adapter provided in the box. If you still face heating, here is a pro trick. Go to Settings, then go to Display and Sounds, then Screensaver, then set start time to 5 minutes. This reduces unnecessary load when idle. Now let us talk about storage problems. 8 GB storage feels very limited in 2026. After system files, you get around 4.5 GB usable space. Here's the workaround. Uninstall apps you do not use. Disable Amazon apps you never open. Go to Settings, then go to Applications, then go to App Store, then turn off automatic updates. You can also use cloud storage-based apps instead of heavy local apps. Kodi users should install only essential add-ons. Avoid sideloading heavy games. Now the most asked question, can you install third-party apps? Yes, you can. Go to Settings, then go to My Fire TV, then go to Developer Options, then turn on apps from unknown sources. Install Downloader app from the Amazon App Store. Use Downloader to install APK files. But remember, this device has limited RAM. Installing too many third-party apps will slow it down. Now let us talk about updates. Amazon still provides security updates for Fire OS based on Android 9. You will not get the latest Android TV interface, but for streaming, this is not a big issue. If you want a clean Android TV experience, this device is not ideal. Amazon pushes ads on the home screen. You cannot remove them completely without advanced modification. But there is a solution to reduce ads. Go to Settings, then go to Preferences, then go to Featured Content. Turn off Allow Video Autoplay. Turn off Allow Audio Autoplay. This makes the interface cleaner and faster. Now let us talk about voice control. Alexa voice remote works surprisingly well. You can search content using voice. You can control smart home devices. You can ask weather updates. But pronunciation matters. Speak slowly and clearly. Avoid mixing languages while giving voice commands. Now, gaming performance, this is not a gaming device. Casual games like Crossy Road and basic puzzle games work fine. Heavy games will lag badly. Now, power saving and longevity tips. Go to settings, then go to system, then power saving, then set sleep to 15 minutes. This reduces heat and increases device lifespan. Restart the device once every week. Go to settings, then go to My Fire TV, then restart. Now let us answer the big question. Is the Fire TV Stick 3rd generation still worth buying in 2026? Yes, if your usage is simple. Yes, if you want full HD streaming. Yes, if you are on a tight budget. Yes, if you already use Amazon Prime Video. No, if you want 4K streaming. No, if you want heavy multitasking. No, if you hate ads completely. Compared to cheap Android TV boxes, this device is more stable. Compared to premium devices, it is obviously weaker. Final verdict. For basic users, parents, secondary TVs, and budget buyers, the Fire TV Stick 3rd generation is still a practical option. If you use the tricks I shared, the experience will be smooth and frustration-free. If you found this video helpful, like it. Share it with someone who is confused about buying a streaming device. Subscribe to Tech Vibes for honest and practical tech content. If you have any problem, drop a comment. I will reply within 1 hour. Thanks for watching.